this towel. This is the second time I buy one, and I must say I love this thing. If you like going to the beach, to the pool, if you go a lot in cruises, this is perfect. Oh my god, the thing about this is big, so you know you can lay your stuff there, you can feel comfortable. I love it. Then you have this little pocket here. You open this, and when you open this, you see this, you're gonna like fill this up with air, and then it's gonna you can use this as a pillow when you're laying on your chair, so I feel that's perfect. And also, you know the struggle when you're like laying on your chair and the towel is falling and moving and everything is so uncomfortable. With this, you don't have this problem because you have this. So you just have to put it on your chair and it will stay there. It won't move, it won't like fall from the top. So I love this option. That's why I bought another one. Also, it's easy to clean and it's so soft. I love it. And it has more. I love the little pockets. Oh my god, it has little pockets where you can put stuff. Me, sometimes I put like my water and stuff, but it's really comfortable. I love it. So if you like to go to the beach, the pool, or any water activities, and also cruises, please go check the link. This is perfect. You're gonna love it.